Tonight, the FBI continues its relentless crackdown on fraud.
The FBI cracking down on a massive Feeding Our Future fraud scheme.
Operation Gold Rush uncovered nearly $15 billion in false claims, the largest healthcare fraud bust in department history.
Federal agents swarming homes from L.A. to Sacramento to make arrests in a sophisticated mortgage fraud case. FBI Director Kash, Patel and the Bureau are providing major investigative support to the White House task force to eliminate fraud.
The hunt continues as agents seize millions in stolen assets nationwide.
FBI agents raided a Bloomington business on Thursday after prosecutors say it billed Medicaid for more than $1 million worth of services but didn't do much.
The level of fraud in these programs is staggering.
The Anti-Fraud Task Force has suspended 447 hospices and 23 home health agencies.
The largest number of convictions in a single fraud investigation in recent memory.
We're going to stop the fraud.
Southern Poverty Law Center accused of defrauding donors by paying members of the extremist groups it purports to fight.
It paid more than $3 million to at least 8 individuals from groups it claimed to oppose.
Federal, state, and local authorities are executing more than 20 search warrants in the Twin Cities tied to ongoing fraud investigations.
Federal agents seen leaving the Quality Learning Center.
Federal agents are raiding about 22 businesses across Minneapolis.
We really have the most accelerated, aggressive anti-fraud operation that we've ever seen from the federal government.
The size of the fraud continues to be exposed, and there will be more arrests coming.